Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1.
Introduce, my name is Dianitami from 12th grade TKJ 1.
Introduce, my name is Anissa Nopianti from 12th grade TKJ 1.
Introduce, my name is Watini from 12th grade TKJ 1.
Here we will present an English practice outcome about procedure text, namely creating hotspot. Procedure text is a text that contains steps or stages to do something. Procedure text describes how to make or do something with structured steps.
Procedure text language. You see the common word imperative. You see technical words relate to the topic discussed. Using conjunction and particle can, I, or, lah. You see persuasive statements. Contains numerals. Contains pronouns.
Procedure text structure purpose, which is an introduction to the topic that will be applied in the text step in the form of detailed instruction suggested to the reader. Reaffirmation that is in the form of hope or benefit in the instruction are carried out properly.
How to make a hotspot using a frog key on a Winbox application. Now, actually, a Proxy hotspot itself is a system that is used to provide authentication features for users who will use the internet network itself. So, to be able to access the internet network, the client is required to enter the provided login, username, and password. Of course, if you want to create a hotspot using a frog key, let's see the following video.
I will make strike and cross cables. Here the sequence of strike cable is with orange, with green, blue, with blue, green, with brown, brown. Then smudge it using cam and input it into the connector. Then we clamping. Then we make a cross cable. The composition of the cross cable is with green, with orange, blue, with blue, orange, with brown, brown, and the BN is with orange, with green, blue, with blue, green, with brown, brown. We smooth again using clamping. We put it back into the connector, then we record, then we check the cable that we made using a lens tester. If all the legs are on, it means the cable is working. Then the next step we configure router 1.
Open Winbox, click the Navigation menu, refresh, click System, reset configuration, check the default configuration, click Reset configuration, click refresh, click make address, then click connect. Click interface, plug Ether 1. Then click VLAN, click the plus icon, VLAN 1 strip lab admin, VLAN ID 10, Ether interface 2. Click OK, click the plus icon, VLAN 2, network lab, VLAN ID 20, Ether interface 2. Click OK. Click the interface, see if the VLAN is on Ether 2 or not. Click VLAN 1. Click IP select address. Click the plus icon. Fill in the address 119 to 116, 168, 3, 107/24. Interface Ether 1. Click OK. Click the icon plus. Fill in the address 119 to 116/18 on 28/. The interface is VLAN 1 lab admin. Click OK. Click the icon plus. Fill in the address 119 to 106/2128/. The interface is a 2 lab network VLAN. Click OK. Click the plus icon. Fill in the address 119 to 168/30 on 24/. The interface is VLAN 1. Click OK. Click wireless. If the R reading is correct, double click VLAN 1. Click wireless. Change mode to upper brick. Change SSID to UKKHDWAA. Click OK. Click IV/routers. Click the plus icon gateway 119 to 116/3, 1. Click OK. Click IP DNS. Click server. Server content 8. Click the lower triangle icon to content 8844. Teach allow remote. Click OK. Click IP/firewall. Click the NAT menu. Click the plus icon. The interface is Ether 1. Click the action tab. Replace the action with masquerade. Click OK. Click IP/DHCP server/DHCP setup. Interface VLAN 1 lab admin. Next until close. Click DHCP setup. The interface is a 2 lab network VLAN. Next until close. Click IV/hotspot. Click hotspot setup. Interface VLAN 1. Next masquerade the check-in removed. Next to DNS name. Fill in DNS name GWAA net. Next until close. Click server profile. Double click hotspot 1. Click login. Remote the cookie. Click OK. Click the user. Click the plus icon. The server is replaced by hotspot 1. Guest name guest. Password. Click OK. Click the plus icon. The server is replaced by hotspot 1. The tester's name. The tester password. Click OK. Then we move the strike cable that is on router 1 on Ether 4 to the MikroTik router 2 Ether 4. Then we configure router 2.
Open Winbox Connect. Select the system, click Reset Configuration, tick No Default Configuration, click OK. Let Winbox close itself. Connect again, go to the System menu, select Identify, rename router to click OK. Go to the Bridge menu, make sure you are in the top tab menu Bridge, then click the icon plus. Name Bridge 1, click OK. Then go to the tab menu above the port, click the icon plus. Interface Ether 1, click OK. Click the icon plus. Interface Ether 2, click OK. Click the icon plus. Interface Ether 3, click OK. Go to the switch menu, then click the top tab menu VLAN, then click the icon plus. Switch 1, VLAN ID, then port Ether 1, then click the small arrow Ether 2, click OK. Click the icon plus switch icon, switch 1, VLAN ID 20, port Ether 1, Ether 3, click OK. Then go to the top tab menu, double click on Ether 1, then name Ether 1, switch 1, VLAN mode secure, VLAN header ADD if missing, click OK. Double click on Ether 2, make sure name Ether 2, switch 1, VLAN mode secure, VLAN header, allow strip, VLAN ID 10, click OK. Double click on Ether 3, make sure name Ether 3, switch 3, VLAN mode secure, VLAN header, allow strip, VLAN ID 20, click OK.
We move the strike cable to the router 1, Ether 2 and 3. We wait whether we get the internet or not. Now if the computer icon image appears, it means we have got internet.
That's all from us. That's all we can say. More or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saya tidak pernah tidak bekerja loh. Kalau orang pernah tanya sama saya, Pak Habibie, kok bisa begitu? Mentalitas apa itu? Saya mentalitas sepeda. Kalau ada naik sepeda, ada berhenti, ada jatuh. Jadi kalau saya berhenti bekerja, saya mati. Umur 80. Kalau ditanya Habibie umur berapa? 90 kurang 10. Tapi jiwanya 17 tahun. Tidak ada bedanya. Saya umur 80 tahun. Kenapa? Karena alasan-alasan tadi yang saya berikan. Itu motivasinya. Yang penting motivasi deh. Semangat saya itu datang atas keyakinan dan kesadaran bahwa saya ini manusia. Produk dari masyarakat di mana saya hidup. Karena saya dan keluarga saya dulu dan sekarang dan masa depan agar ada bagian terpadu dari masyarakat ini. Kalau masyarakat ini makmur, ya keluarga saya ikut makmur. Karena itu saya terus tidak mau berhenti. Saya bilang, tidak ada gunanya Anda IQ-nya tinggi, tapi pemalas. Tidak memiliki disiplin, forget it. Yang penting adalah Anda sehat, mau berkorban untuk masa depan yang lebih cerah. Dan Anda konsisten, bekerja keras, berdisiplin. Saya bersyukur sejak saya lahir sampai sekarang saya mampu membuat sinergi positif antara elemen agama, budaya, dan pengertian ilmu pengetahuan dan teknologi. Saya bersyukur bisa menyelesaikan semua masalah-masalah yang saya hadapi. Masalah dengan halal dan terasa orang sekitarnya ikut menikmatinya. Itu filsafat yang diberikan oleh ayah saya. Jadilah mata air yang jernih, yang memberikan kehidupan kepada sekitarmu.